Contractors who don't track time in real time usually lose billable hours, because crews forget to log work. Estimates get rounded and travel time gets missed between jobs. By the end of this, you'll know which time tracking apps actually fit contractors, what features matter most, and how to choose one based on whether you need payroll accuracy, job costing, or crew accountability. Time tracking for contractors is not just about logging hours. It's about connecting labor time to specific jobs so you know exactly what each project actually costs. The first key feature is mobile clock in and clock out. Crews should be able to start and stop time from their phones instead of relying on manual paper timesheets. This matters because manual entry is where most time tracking errors happen. The second feature is job-based tracking. The best apps don't just record hours. They attach those hours to specific jobs or work orders. This helps you understand which jobs are profitable and which ones are eating labor costs. The third feature is GPS or location-based tracking. Many contractor-focused tools allow time entries to be tied to job sites so you can verify where work is happening. This helps reduce time theft and improves accountability across multiple crews. Another important feature is automatic timesheet summaries. Instead of manually calculating hours at the end of the week, the system organizes everything into payroll-ready reports. This reduces admin work and lowers the risk of payroll mistakes. Some apps also include overtime tracking, which helps businesses stay consistent with labor rules and avoid unexpected payroll costs. When comparing options, the main differences between simple time trackers and contractor-focused field service platforms. Simple time trackers are good for basic hourly logging, but often lack job costing and scheduling integration. Contractor-focused platforms connect time tracking directly with scheduling, invoicing, and job management. The right choice depends on how your business operates. If you only need to record hours for payroll, a simple tracker may be enough. If you need to understand job profitability, a connected system is more effective. A practical next step is to review where your current time tracking breaks down. If you're frequently adjusting hours manually at the end of the week, your biggest improvement will come from mobile, real-time tracking. If this helped you compare your options, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor software and business tools.